There are three things that a well-crafted learning objective needs. The first thing is it needs to be participant-centered. When we and the language we use when we think of our learning objectives is very important, because if we start out by saying my learning objective is that I want to tell this group this, it's very different from by the end of this session my learners will be able to do this, right? And we'll compare that in just a second. There's two other things that we need here for learning objectives. One is that they need to be action oriented. So we need some sort of verb in our learning objective statement, and then also they need to be observable. And so let me give you an example of what this looks like. So a sample learning objective could be this, right? This is very simple. Let's imagine we're doing some sort of sales training. So by the end of this lesson, participants will be able to list the 5 steps in our sales process, right? So this is a learning objective that is well written, well constructed for 2 reasons. Well, it has all 3 things in it. One is it's participant centered, right? So our participants will be able to do something. It's not, I'm going to tell them something or I'm going to show them something or whatever it might be. So first of all, we're thinking about our participants. The second thing is that we actually want to be able to have them do something and we need to be able to observe it. And that's this part. List the 5 steps in our sales process, right? So this is our learning objective, which is very different from I'm going to tell them about the 5 steps in our sales process. That looks very different, and that gives us very different marching orders when it comes to putting this together. So